Welcome to Localize. Our label manager makes it easy to manage and create labels to organize your content inside your Localize project. You can access the label manager by clicking on Phrases, then Label Manager. Here you'll find a list of all the labels in your project, the number of phrases for each label, and any associated label actions. You'll find a description of the label when you hover your mouse over the label name. Our default system labels will have a lock icon. System labels are automatically created by Localize when our library detects certain content on your website. You'll find system labels for things like page titles and meta descriptions, making it easy to identify and translate this content. You can edit any label by clicking on the pencil icon and add a description or assign a label action. Create a new label in your project by clicking on the New Label button. Give the label a name, a description of what the label will be used for, and choose any label actions you'd like to use. You'll find links to more information on the Label Manager and using labels inside the Learn More button. Check out the Label Manager in your project today and let us know if you need any help getting started by contacting us at support@localizejs.com.